Amazon, the tech giant we all know and love, has just dropped a bombshell announcement. They're investing up to a whopping $4 billion in Anthropic, a rising star in the AI startup scene. But what's got everyone buzzing? Well, it's their incredible Claude chatbot. So let's dive right in and break down this game-changing development in the AI landscape. Picture this. Anthropic, a company founded back in 2017 by the dynamic siblings duo, Dario and Daniela Amodei. Now, these two aren't newbies to the AI game. They've got their roots deep in the industry, previously working with OpenAI, another big-name AI startup. What's Anthropic's mission? You ask. To create AI systems that are not just smart but safe and reliable, aiming to benefit all of humanity. Anthropic, the brains behind the innovative Claude AI model, is learning up with AWS, Amazon Web Services, to unleash the power of AI in ways you've never seen before. And you might be wondering, what's all the buzz about Anthropic and AWS? Well, here's the scoop straight from Dario Amodei, Anthropic's co-founder and CEO. He's pumped about using AWS Trainium chips to cook up some groundbreaking foundation models. Since their earlier support for Amazon Bedrock in April, it's been fascinating to see how AWS customers have embraced it. But guess what? The partnership is about to get even bigger. Anthropic and AWS are joining forces to open up a world of possibilities for organizations of all sizes. They want to combine Anthropic's cutting-edge AI systems with AWS top-notch cloud technology. Talk about a dynamic duo. Hold on. Though you might recall Microsoft's whopping $13 billion commitment to OpenAI, which raised some eyebrows. But Amazon's not sitting on the sidelines. Their investment in Anthropic is a clear sign of their ambition in the ever-evolving AI arena. This collaboration could reshape the AI sector with groundbreaking developments. Andy Jassy, the bigwig at Amazon, had this to say: "We have tremendous respect for Anthropic's team and foundation models. We believe we can enhance customer experiences both in the short and long term. Though our deeper collaborations sounds like they're gearing up for something big, right?" Now let's talk about shiny new toys AWS has in its AI arsenal. First up, Amazon Bedrock, a game-changing managed service that lets companies use various foundation models to craft generative AI applications. It's like a toolbox filled with AI wonders waiting to be explored. And then there's AWS Trainium, AWS AI training chip. Combine these with Anthropic expertise and you've got a recipe for AI success. But what's the star of the new show here? It's none other than the Anthropic pride and joy, the Claude AI model. Claude and its advanced version Claude 2 are like the cool kids on the AI block. Think of them as the ChatGPT and the Bard of the AI world. They excel at tasks like translating text, generating code, and answering all sorts of questions. Plus, they come with a bonus: enhanced safety features that set them apart from the competition. Now, what sets Claude apart from the rest? Well, it can autonomously revise responses, eliminating the need for human moderation. Imagine having an AI that's not only incredibly smart, but also reliable and safe to use, especially when you need precise and unbiased information. Claude's got your back. But that's not all, folks. Claude isn't just smart, it has the brain and the brawn to handle large prompts. That makes it the go-to choice for tasks involving extensive business or legal documents. In industries where meticulous data analysis is king, Claude is your secret weapon. Now let's talk numbers. Amazon is starting strong with a commitment of $1.25 billion to Anthropic, and they even have the option to pump an additional $2.75 billion into this partnership. If that full $4 billion investment materializes, it's going to be the biggest publicly known investment tied to AWS. Impressive, right? But that's not all. Anthropic isn't putting all its eggs in one basket. They're playing the field by continuing their collaboration with Google, who already holds a 10% stake following a $300 million investment earlier this year. Anthropic is all about spreading the AI love, and they're dedicated to offering their technology through Google Cloud. You see, Amazon isn't just your go-to online shopping destination, it's also a powerhouse in the AI game. They've been investing in Anthropic as part of their grand strategy to supercharge their AI capabilities. But what exactly does this mean? Well, first things first, AI is already a crucial player in Amazon's operations. It's the magic behind those personalized product recommendations you see when you shop online and the guardian angel that watches over their systems, detecting any suspicious activities. But Amazon isn't stopping there. They've decided to go all in on AI by investing heavily in AI research and development. Back in 2018, they launched their very own AI research lab, cleverly named Amazon AI. This lab is like a high-tech think tank where brilliant minds are busy cooking up new AI technologies that will eventually find their way into Amazon's products and services. The fact that Amazon is putting its money into Anthropic is a huge deal. It's a sign that they're dead serious about becoming the creme de la creme in the AI world. They're not just talking the talk, they're walking the walk. The investment shows that Amazon is committed to not only staying at the forefront of AI research, but also bringing you innovative AI-driven products and services in the future. You see, Amazon's decision to pour resources into Anthropic speaks volume about the evolving role of AI in the tech industry. It's like giant neon signs flashing. AI is the future, and Amazon is not the one to miss out on that ride. But wait, there's more. What makes this move truly remarkable is that Amazon is doing this in the face of a global economic downturn. That's right, folks. They're doubling down on AI event when the world's economy is doing the limbo. This shows us that Amazon isn't just thinking short-term. They're in it for the long haul, betting big on the untapped potential of AI. Now hold on to your seats, because this investment isn't just shaking things up at Amazon, it's also sending shockwaves through the entire AI industry. You've got titans like Microsoft, Google, and Meta all in the AI arena, and they're not holding back either. It's like a high-stakes poker game, and the AI chips are piling up. What all these competitions means for you, the end user? Well, it's a good news. The fierce rivalry among these tech giants is like a pressure cooker, cooking up new innovative AI products and services faster than ever before. Think about it. The more they compete, the more we benefit. In a world where technology advances at the speed of light, Amazon's strategic investment in Anthropic speaks volume about their commitment to staying at the forefront of AI innovation. This partnership is just the beginning, and we can't wait to see the exciting developments that lie ahead. But here's the real question. What do you think this partnership means for the future of AI? Share your thoughts in the comment section below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you'll never miss our exciting videos about the world of AI. Stay tuned for more tech updates, and let's explore the tech world together.